Hello students, good morning. Standard 7, class 19, sentences and types of sentences. Grammar, book page number 10 to 13. What is sentence? A sentence is a group of words that make complete sense. And a sentence always starts with a capital letter and end with a suitable punctuations. It may be full stop or question mark or exclamatory form. There are different kinds of sentences in written and spoken languages. There are four kinds of sentences. These are declarative or assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. What is declarative sentence? This conveys some information or simply makes a statement. A sentence may be positive or negative. Positive is otherwise called affirmative sentence. Let us see some examples for affirmative sentence and negative sentence. Nepal is at the foothills of the Himalayas. This is a statement sentence and it conveys the positive. So it is coming under the affirmative sentence. The next example, it did not rain last night. Here, not is a negative word. So this kind of statement is called a negative sentence. The next type of sentence is interrogative sentences. This sentence asks a question. For example, why did you not attend the meeting? Which is your book? These all are coming under interrogative sentence. A sentence starts with a question and end with a question mark. And imperative sentences means it convey an order or request or as the case may be. For example, please come and sit down. This is a request sentence. And a sentence start with please or don't. Otherwise, any verb that is called the imperative sentence. Come in, that is an order sentence. So that is also coming under imperative sentence. The next type of sentence is exclamatory sentence. These sentences express a sudden emotion. It ends with exclamatory form. Okay, students, now you can understand how to identify the types of sentences. Take your book and turn to the page number 11. Roman letter 1. Read the following sentences and identify the type of sentences. Number 1. The boy fled as soon as he saw the gardener. In this sentence, there is a full stop at last and it starts with a capital letter and noun. So this is a declarative sentence. And number 2, mosquitoes breed in stagnant water. This is also declarative sentence. Ouch, I hurt my toe. This is a exclamatory sentence because exclamatory form is there in the sentence. Then the next sentence, please leave your shoes outside. This sentence starts with please. So this is a imperative sentence. Fifth one, why do want the money? This sentence start with a question word and end with a question mark. So this is a interrogative sentence. Then sixth one, give me a glass of water. Here, give is a verb. And this is called imperative sentence. And seventh one, where were you last evening? This sentence starts with a question word where and ends with question mark. So this is a interrogative sentence. And eighth one, be quiet. This is a ordering sentence. So it is called imperative sentence. The ninth one, hooray, we got the first place. Here, this sentence, there is a exclamatory form. So this is coming under exclamatory sentence. And 10th one, I am not sure they are at home. This is a declarative sentence as well as it gives the negative information. Not is a negative word. So this is coming under negative sentence. 11th one, what would the trip cost us? It starts with question word and ends with a question mark. So this is an interrogative sentence. And 12th one, we visited my hometown last week. So this is a declarative sentence. Starts with a pronoun and ends with a full stop. And 13th one, why don't you answer me? This sentence starts with a question word and ends with a question mark. So this is an interrogative sentence. And 14th one, every soldier is ready to lay down his life for his country. Every soldier is a noun and ends with a full stop. So this is a declarative sentence. Then 15th one, hello, what a pleasure to meet you. Here in this sentence there is a exclamatory form. So this is exclamatory sentence. Okay, now we will see what is affirmative and negative sentences. An assertive sentence may be positive or negative. That is declarative sentence. And the sentence that conveys a positive idea is an affirmative sentence. A sentence that conveys a negative idea is called a negative sentence. Let us see some examples for affirmative sentence and negative sentence. Now turn to the page number 12 to change the following sentences to the negative form. First sentence, people were listening to the mayor's speech. Here, people after were is a auxiliary verb. In a sentence, auxiliary verb is there means that's very easy. We have to add not with that auxiliary verb and make it as a negative sentence. People were not listening to the mayor's speech. And the second one is Narayan is waiting for the bus. Here is a auxiliary verb. So we can add not alone with the auxiliary verb. Narayan is not waiting for the bus. And the third one, most people follow traffic rules. Here, most people is a subject and follow is a verb. And there is no auxiliary verb. That is, follow is a main verb. So, follow is a present form. So, do plus follow we can divide. We have already learned about this. So, you can understand why we are using do. And most people do not follow traffic rules. Then fourth one, young children believe in Santa Claus. Young children believe. Here also there is no auxiliary verb. Main verb believe is there. Believe is a present form and do plus believe, like that we can divide. So young children do not believe in Santa Claus. And fifth one, the principal is in his office. Here principal is a subject and is a auxiliary verb. So just we can add not with the auxiliary verb. The principal is not in his office. Then sixth one, Govind is an intelligent boy. Here is a auxiliary verb. So Govind is not an intelligent boy is the answer. Then seventh one, mother is watching television. Here also auxiliary verb is there. So mother is not watching television. And eighth one, we must save for a rainy day. So here we must not save for a rainy day. And ninth one, he dropped the was by mistake. In this, there is no auxiliary verb. Dropped is a main verb and it is in a past form. Past form there in the sense we should divide it as did plus present tense. So, he did not drop the wash by mistake is the answer. And 10th one, the post office is behind the bank. Here, auxiliary verb is there. So, the post office is not behind the bank is the answer. Then 11th one, the scenery from the hilltop is fantastic. Here, the scenery from the hilltop is not fantastic is the answer. Then 12th one, our country boasts of several historical monuments. Here, our country is a subject and boast is a verb. And it is in a present form. So, we have to divide does plus present tense. So, the answer is our country does not boast of several historical monuments. Then turn to the page number 13. Number 3, change the sentences to affirmative form. First one, the teacher did not complete the lesson when she was called by the principal. So, did not is a negative word that we have to remove. Then the teacher completed. Did plus complete is equal to past form. So, the teacher completed the lesson when she was called by the principal. The second one, the sums were not easy. That is a negative form. So positive form is the sums were easy. And third one, she does not want to attend the party. Does plus want is equal to wants. So she wants to attend the party. And fourth one, the people were not eager to see their leader go. The answer is the people were eager to see their leader go. And fifth one, I speak French. This is in a affirmative form, that is in a positive form. So we are changing this as negative sentence. I do not speak French. Here speak is a present form, so do plus speak. And the next sixth one, the dog is not obedient. The dog is obedient is the answer. Then seventh one, he will not come today to work. He will come today to work is the answer. And eighth one, it is not safe to wander around after dark. Answer is, it is safe to wander around after dark. And ninth one, those are not stars in the sky. Those are stars in the sky is the answer. The 10th one, it takes thousands of years for light from the stars to reach us. Here, takes is a verb and does plus take is equal to takes. So, does not is the answer. It does not take thousands of years for light from the stars to reach us. Okay, students, I hope you all have understood what is the meaning of sentences and types of sentences. Watch the video fully and carefully and do the exercises in your grammar book and send to my WhatsApp number. Thank you. See you soon.